So here is the engine I've been working on for a couple of weeks. It's a Bennis stoker engine. It drives the mechanical stokers on the fronts of the boilers. So what did we do to it? So we came in here once steaming and we noticed that back flywheel was wobbling around. So we stripped the whole engine down and built the crankshaft up with weld, rebored the flywheel, remachined the keyway and made a new key before reassembling the entire engine. We put that lifting eye in the roof there to lift the flywheel out and crank. Then on installation we re-scraped the bearings, made new wicks and generally cleaned the engine down. Now the engine doesn't look too pretty, but it is actually in its original Westminster green paint. This engine was installed between 1910 and then 1920 and removed to be scrapped in the 1970s. It was then rescued, restored, reinstalled and still drives the stokers on our steamings.